So to replace a bike tire, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. We'll start by taking off the cap to the air. And you'll take the flathead screwdriver and you'll kind of just wedge it in there, get it under the tire. Don't go too harsh because you don't want to puncture the tube. Although if you're just replacing it, then your tube is probably already flat, so it might not matter. And then you'll just kind of work your way around here, slowly trying to work the tube to the outside. Oh, well, I just punctured that one because it was a full tire, but that's okay. So then you've worked it out around here, and you can push this air tube up through. And you'll see on the other side here, you can pull it out through the plastic rim. So now to replace with a new tire tube, you want to start by feeding the tire tube back into the tire here. So it fits nicely all the way around. Try and keep it as flat as you can so it doesn't get twisted in there. And keep track of where the air tube is. You want it to be facing outward from the rim. So once you have it worked all the way in, you'll try and just fit the back half of it around the rim. Oh, slipped off there. Might need your flathead screwdriver to help a little bit here. And you'll want to feed that back through next. All right, as you can see, pulled through. All right, so once you have the air tube pulled back through the rim, you'll just want to take your screwdriver and just work the tire back underneath on the inside of the rim, and just be careful not to poke your tube. There we go. And you can inflate your tire and put your cap back on.